Hello, my name is Alex. I'm a senior consultant with Analysis Prime. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the increased step count support for multi-actions, which is part of the latest QRC update for Q3 2023. What we'll be covering in this video is how we can add steps to a multi-action and the maximum number of steps that are allowed in a multi-action. A little background on this feature update. The step count within a multi-action has been increased from 20 to 50 steps. This enables planning users to add many more steps to their complex workflows. You can add a data action step, predictive, version management, data logging, data import, and an API step. This is a snippet of where we can add or use this functionality. Let us go into the system to see how this works. I'm in a multi-action which I created a while ago. As you can see, I have multiple steps which are a combination of a data action step, a predictive step, version management, and data logging. Now I have 20 steps in my multi-action process. I have the flexibility to add steps from this menu bar. And if I add an additional step, you can see that it still allows me to add more than 20 steps now. So I'll select a data action. And save this. As you can see, even though I have an error icon, it allows me to save the multi-action. But do note that the multi-action will fail to run if there are any errors. We need to correct this error before we run the multi-action. Let's recap on what we have seen. We have seen how to add a step to the multi-action, and the maximum number of steps have now been increased from 20 to 50. Thank you for watching.